we've scoured the innovation landscape to bring you 5 mind-bending e-bikes that boast features ripped straight from science fiction. From self-balancing wonders to hubless masterpieces, get ready to have your definition of a bicycle redefined. So, ditch the fumes, embrace the future, and let's see what these electric beasts have to offer. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Magicc A1 isn't just an e-bike, it's a shapeshifter for your active lifestyle. Before we dive into its modular magic, let's talk about the ride itself. Imagine cruising down the street upright and relaxed. Thanks to the A1's ergonomic triangle design, every mile feels comfortable, no matter the distance. This bad boy is a full suspension e-bike, meaning it tackles bumps and rough terrain with ease. The inverted front fork absorbs shocks from the front wheel, while the rear suspension, cleverly hidden within the frame, smooths out the ride from behind. With an IPX7 waterproof rating for its main parts, you can laugh in the face of rain or snow. There's no need to worry about stopping your adventure. Just keep on riding. Safety is paramount, and the A1 doesn't disappoint. With a bright 300-lumen LED headlight and front and rear DRLs, you'll be seen clearly, day or night. This e-bike transforms from a solo rider's dream to a cargo hauler or even a passenger carrier. Forget everything you thought you knew about e-bikes. The Revo throws out the traditional spoke and hub design, ushering in a new era of sleek sophistication with the world's first hubless e-bike. This isn't just about groundbreaking technology, it's a head-turner. The Revo's beautifully designed and elegantly crafted frame makes urban mobility a fashion statement. The Revo's efficient power transmission ensures a smooth and powerful ride. Feel the surge of power from the electric motor as it propels you forward with unmatched exhilaration. For ultimate security and convenience, the Revo ditches keys and features biometric access for fingerprint unlocking, a built-in automatic locking system to deter theft, and integrated GPS tracking so you can locate your stolen bike in case the unthinkable happens. Stay safe and seen with integrated signal and brake lights and LED headlights that automatically adjust to the ambient light conditions, ensuring optimal visibility no matter the time of day. The Treallent Plus isn't your average e-bike. It's a powerful and versatile machine built for conquering any terrain. From city streets to off-road adventures, it's your everyday companion. Supercharged to make commutes a breeze, errands sweat-free, and weekend explorations epic. Say goodbye to leg-burning climbs. The Treallent Plus features a powerful Bosch motor that assists up to 28 miles per hour, giving you the extra push you need to tackle those challenging inclines with a smile. The Treallent Plus boasts a range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. The high-end suspension fork absorbs bumps and shocks, transforming rough roads into smooth sailing. With an intuitive onboard display, you can easily adjust your assist level, monitor your speed and battery life, and customize your ride experience to suit your needs. Built-in front and rear lights ensure you're visible on the road, day or night. The Treallent Plus is more than just an e-bike. It's an extension of your adventurous spirit. It's the perfect companion for those who crave a comfortable, powerful, and versatile ride. The e-bike Bisetto isn't your average e-bike. It's a two-wheeled sculpture that glides through the streets, fusing timeless Italian design with cutting-edge technology. Forget clunky motors and bulky batteries. The Bisetto is a triumph of engineering and aesthetics, making a strong case for being the coolest Italian e-bike on the planet. The Bisetto's design borrows inspiration from classic cafe racers, with a sleek frame and a comfortable riding position that evokes a sense of speed and adventure. Unlike most e-bikes that flaunt their electric motors, the Bisetto keeps its secret weapon hidden. The discreetly integrated motor seamlessly blends into the frame, preserving the bike's clean aesthetic. You get the power boost without sacrificing the classic good looks. The e-bike Bisetto is more than just a way to get around, it's a statement piece. Forget leisurely cruises on paved paths. The Magicc Cruiser Pro is an adrenaline-pumping machine, built to devour rough terrain and conquer any off-road challenge you crave. It's your electric trailblazer, ready to take you on unforgettable adventures. This e-bike lives up to its name, Cruiser Pro. It boasts a hidden weapon, a hub motor with a jaw-dropping maximum output of 1,000 watt. That translates to effortless hill climbing, smooth acceleration, and the ability to tackle even the most challenging terrain. The 52 volts battery boasts an impressive maximum range of 80 miles on a single charge. The heavy-duty aluminum frame provides a rock-solid foundation, while the high-quality components ensure long-lasting performance. Keep track of your speed, battery life, and other important metrics with a clear and easy-to-read display. Stay visible on the road, day or night, with built-in front and rear lights. The Magicc Cruiser Pro is more than just an e-bike. It's an off-road adventure machine. There you have it. 5 insane futuristic e-bikes that are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Which one would you ride? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.